Scene script. Imagine being able to live comfortably without worrying about money. That's what true wealth is. We often think of wealth as a pile of money, a flashy car, or a sprawling mansion. But wealth is so much more than just financial status. It's a three-pronged concept which includes financial wealth, knowledge wealth, and time wealth. Financial wealth, the most commonly recognized form, is about having enough resources to cover your needs and desires. It's not just about how much money you have in the bank, but also about your assets and investments. Knowledge wealth, on the other hand, is the wisdom and information you've accumulated over time. It's your understanding of how to make money, how to save, and how to grow your wealth. It's knowing the difference between a good investment and a bad one, or understanding when to take a risk and when to play it safe. Lastly, time wealth is about having the freedom to spend your time as you wish. It's about not being chained to a 9-to-5 job, but having the flexibility to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, or take that spontaneous vacation you've always dreamed of. Now, let's talk about wealth versus income. It's easy to think that a high income equates to wealth, but that's not always the case. You could be earning a 6-figure salary, but if you're living paycheck to paycheck, are you really wealthy? Wealth is not just about how much money you bring in, but about how much of that money you keep and grow. It's about creating a buffer between you and life's unexpected twists and turns. It's about investing wisely, minimizing debt, and making your money work for you. So the next time you think about wealth, remember it's not just about the dollar signs. It's about financial security, knowledge, and the freedom to spend your time as you wish. Remember, wealth isn't just about the money you earn, it's about how you manage and grow it. Now, let's dive into some amazing money hacks that can help you accumulate wealth. First off, we have hack number 1, pay yourself first. This hack is as simple as it sounds. Before you pay your bills, buy groceries, or do anything else, set aside a portion of your income to save. The benefits are twofold. 1, it ensures you're prioritizing your future financial security, and 2, it helps you build a substantial savings account over time. To implement this, decide on a fixed percentage of your income to save each month and set up an automatic transfer to your savings account. Next, we move to hack number 2. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts. These are special types of accounts like Roth IRAs and 401ks that offer tax benefits. By contributing to these accounts, you can minimize your tax burden and maximize your savings. Plus, many employers offer matching contributions to 401ks, which is essentially free money. So, don't leave it on the table. On to hack number 3, invest in low-cost index funds. Now, what are index funds? These are a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund with a portfolio constructed to match or track the components of a financial market index. The benefits? Well, they're generally low cost and offer a diversified portfolio, making them a less risky investment option. Plus, they've been proven to outperform most actively managed funds over the long term. So, investing in these can be a great way to accumulate wealth passively. Finally, we arrive at hack number 4. Create multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. What if you lose your job? Or what if your business hits a rough patch? Having multiple income streams can provide a safety net and boost your earnings. You could consider real estate investment, starting a side business, or even freelance work. The options are endless. Implementing these money hacks can significantly boost your wealth over time. So, start today. And remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how much you keep and how hard it works for you. The key to managing your money well is knowing where it's going. And one of the simplest ways to do this is by following the 50-30-20 rule of budgeting. This rule suggests that 50% of your income should go towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings or paying off debt. Let's break that down a bit. The 50% for needs covers essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, and health insurance. These are non-negotiable expenses that you must pay every month. The 30% for wants is your fun money. This is for dining out, streaming subscriptions, hobbies, or that pair of shoes you've been eyeing. It's essential to live a little, but within your means. Finally, the 20% is for your future. This could be for saving, investing, or paying down debt. It's about building a financial cushion and growing your wealth. But here's the thing. This rule is a guideline. not a rigid formula, so tweak it as you see fit. Maybe your needs take up more than 50%, or you'd rather save more than 20%. That's okay, the goal is to have a plan for your money. Now, the other half of this equation is tracking your expenses. You might think you know where your money is going, but do you really? It's easy to lose track of small purchases here and there, and before you know it, they add up. So, start tracking every penny. Yes, it sounds tedious, but thankfully, there are tools to make this easier. Apps like Mint, YNAB, you need a budget. And Pocket Guard can help you keep a closer eye on your spending. They categorize your expenses, so you can see if you're overspending in some areas and adjust accordingly. Remember, knowledge is power. When you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can make smarter financial decisions. Maybe you'll find you can save more, or that you're spending too much on dining out. Whatever it is, you can't change what you don't know. When you have a handle on your expenses, you can make informed decisions about your money. Unexpected expenses can derail your financial goals. That's where emergency funds and insurance come in. Imagine waking up one day to a burst pipe or a car that won't start. These unexpected expenses can quickly drain your wallet, but an emergency fund is your safety net. It's a stash of money set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. It's not about if these events will happen, but when. And when they do, you'll be ready, not running for the credit cards or loans that plunge you deeper into debt. Now, let's talk insurance. Life is unpredictable, and insurance is your financial guard against the unforeseen. It's like a goalkeeper in a soccer match, defending your net worth from potential financial losses. There's a variety of insurance types out there: health, car, life, homeowners, renters, and even pet insurance. Each plays a unique role in safeguarding your wealth. Health insurance, for instance, protects you from exorbitant medical costs. Auto insurance takes care of damages from accidents or theft. Life insurance provides for your loved ones in the event of your untimely demise. And homeowners or renters insurance. They cover losses from natural disasters, theft, or damage to your home. The key is to understand your potential risks and choose the right insurance policies for your specific needs. It's about being proactive, not reactive. After all, financial security isn't just about growing wealth, it's also about protecting it. Continuous learning and networking are crucial for financial success. We've all heard the saying, knowledge is power. Well, in the world of finance, knowledge is wealth. The more you understand about money management, investments, and personal finance, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions that can significantly impact your financial growth. There's a wealth of resources out there to help you in this journey. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey provide invaluable insights into personal finance. Tune into podcasts such as The Dave Ramsey Show or Planet Money for practical advice you can apply in your everyday life. Online courses, too, are a great way to deepen your understanding of financial concepts at your own pace. But learning isn't just about consuming information. It's also about connecting with people. Networking and mentorship play a huge role in financial success. Surrounding yourself with successful people, learning from their experiences, and engaging in insightful conversations can open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. A mentor can guide you, help you avoid common pitfalls, and provide the support you need to stay on track. So, invest in your learning, read that book, take that course, connect with that mentor. Because in the quest for financial success, learning never stops. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn.